The DJI Mini 2 is a compact, foldable drone that is easy to carry around. It has a built-in 1080 picoamperes camera, and it can fly for up to 18 minutes on one charge. It features DJI's signature obstacle avoidance technology, which allows the drone to sense and avoid obstacles in its path. DJI has been in the drone business for over 6 years now. They have released many different models of drones over the years, but their latest release, the DJI Mini 2, is one of their smallest drones yet. DJI has a new drone, the DJI Mini 2. It is a small and lightweight drone that is easy to use. DJI has launched its latest series of drones, the DJI Mini 2. The new drone is a small and lightweight quadcopter that is easy to use. The Mini 2 is a great drone for beginners. It has a 720 pixels camera, and the controller is much easier to use than the original. The DJI Mini 2 is a great beginner drone. It has an HD camera, and it's easy to control.